Nvidia has recently faced some selling pressure during the broader market downturn. This isn't unexpected, given how strongly the stock has performed over the past few years. Many investors have seen significant gains, and some are now choosing to take profits. Even so, there's still strong potential for growth. In fact, this may be a great time to consider buying. Nvidia had exceptional performance in both 2023 and 2024. And while 2025 has started off uncertain, it wouldn't be surprising to see the stock rebound and finish the year on a high note. Before we begin, this video is not an investment advice and must do your own diligence. However, with my experience investing for years, the content from this video has a solid research foundation. Check our Patreon on the description below for an inside members-only access on what are the best buys now. We will also update you on what to sell for gains or to avoid losses. Subscribe to our channel so you will never miss out. Nvidia has earned a reputation as one of the top companies in the field of artificial intelligence, largely because it produces graphics processing units, also known as GPUs, and the supporting infrastructure that powers them. GPUs are widely used to train AI models due to their exceptional computing performance and flexibility. One key advantage of GPUs is their ability to handle multiple calculations at the same time. This parallel processing capability makes them incredibly fast when tackling complex tasks. While there are other types of computing hardware that can outperform GPUs in specific scenarios, those setups require highly customized configurations, which may not always be practical. Because of this, GPUs have become the preferred choice for large-scale AI applications, especially in data centers. As a result, Nvidia has achieved extraordinary growth for a company of its size. That said, some signs of a slowdown have begun to appear, even though 78% year-over-year revenue growth is still impressive. The main question investors are asking now is, when will the demand for computing power begin to level off? Recently, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang spoke at the company's annual GTC event and made a bold prediction. He estimated that the total addressable market for data centers could exceed $1 trillion by the year 2028. Given Nvidia's dominant role in the GPU space, it's possible the company could capture a significant portion of that opportunity. To put this into perspective, Nvidia's data center division brought in $115 billion in revenue over the last 12 months. Reaching $1 trillion by 2028 would require a compound annual growth rate of around 72%. While that's a step down from the recent 93% growth rate seen in the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2025, it still represents a rapid pace. This growth target will be an important metric to watch throughout 2025. If the data center segment trends closer to a 70% growth rate, it may suggest Nvidia will fall short of the $1 trillion goal. However, if growth remains in the 80% to 90% range, the company could very well be on track. Even if the projection is slightly optimistic, one thing remains clear: demand for GPUs continues to be strong. And as long as that demand holds, investors have good reason to remain confident. With the stock currently down about 20% from its highest point, this could be a smart opportunity to consider buying shares. After the recent decline, it's now trading near the lowest levels seen in recent years. At 26 times forward earnings, the stock appears to offer strong value, especially when compared to other major tech companies, many of which trade at higher valuations despite having weaker growth potential. For context, the S&P 500 trades at around 21 times forward earnings, so you're not paying much of a premium for a company that's considered one of the top growth stories of this era. Even if the company doesn't reach its bold $1 trillion target, it's still positioned for massive growth, fueled by heavy investments from leaders in artificial intelligence. With the stock now available at a discount, this could be an ideal time to take advantage of the opportunity. Give us a like if you like our video, subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss out. Check our Patreon for an inside look on what are the best buy and sell stocks every week.